Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is another unboxing. This is my second pair of Freebird boots. I'm going to show them to you in a minute. So welcome back and thank you for watching. So the name of these boots are the Jalessas, and they're actually booties. This is what the box looks like. I'm just gonna adjust this a little bit. And I got the size 9 because I wear a larger size just in these booties. And I think because they just have a really snug fit, but they're so well made, so I don't mind, ordering such a large size. It's just so cute. Here is a look at the boots outside of the box. These are the Jalessas in Cognac. I think I mentioned the name of the booties, but not the color. And I'm gonna hold my hand up to them. So I like them because they're almost exactly my skin tone, and that's what I was looking for. I think these are just so cute. I tried them on, and even though they're a 9, they're still kind of tight, but I do have a really fat, like short foot and a high instep. So I sized up. Normally I wear anywhere from like an 8 to an 8.5. So just to give you an idea, if you are gonna get these, probably size up at least one size. But I think that they'll break in after a while. If you watched the unboxing of my other booties, they did kind of stretch out, so they're perfect now, and those are also a size 9. And just giving you a shot of the bottoms. One thing I love about these booties is the reinforced heel and how thick it is. I just love that. This is what the front of the booties look like. And then on either side, there is a zipper. Both of the zippers work. So I think maybe I'll leave it unzipped for a little bit as they, start to stretch out, and then I can zip them up later. And then along the tops, they have the zipper. So I don't know how this is gonna feel like, on my feet or on my ankles, but I don't think it'll be that much of a problem. But when I was looking at them, I did wonder oh, that's kind of an interesting concept, but they're just so cute. So I'm gonna give myself at least 3 months to break these in. But if you have any comments or have any questions, just ask me in the comments and I'll let you know if the top of it became an issue. And there you have it. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day, and I will see you next time.